I don't know, but I've been told uranium ore is worth more than gold. I sold my cad, I bought me a Jeep, I got that bug and I can't sleep. Uranium fever has gone and got me down. Uranium fever is spreading all around. With a Geiger counter in my hand,
I'm going out to stake me some government land.
Uranium fever has gone and got me down.
Oh, you're fucking road. Oh, shoot, what am I gonna do? Which way? Oh, this is easy. Oh, no, I got choices here, that's right. I told me I'd have to choose. If I go to the right, I can circle around and go over there. Oh, yeah, that thing right there. Oh, yeah. I heard that. Oh, yeah, EPA funded that, I think. Yeah, what they do, they collect all the uranium all over the city of Pocatello. And they bring it all the way across the river and dump it right here. Well, yeah, so they can collect it later, you know. Yeah, you know, the rising costs and stuff, you know, I gotta have our own collection, uranium collection. After all, I don't know why us and Cyanide Canary, that's what he did over here. Hey, I mean, you know, get some of that stuff, yeah, come on, you got so much of it, share a little FMC, come on, share, you got trillions of dollars, come on, let me have a little. We'll cut you in, of course, you know, yeah, I know, the usual thing, yeah, you get 90, I get 10, but that, yeah, but come on, yeah, cut me in a little, yeah, cool. I wonder how much we gotta deal with EP gets from this. Maybe 10%? Oh, yeah. Well, you know, FMC, they're generous. They'll say, yeah, here's a little bit, keep you, you know, a little buffer in your salary there. You know, keep 100,000 on the side, you know. Yeah. Oh, I think I'm gonna go over to the river, though. Because I don't know if there's any water in that right today. Yeah. Haven't rained. Oh, wow. Well, maybe it's gonna rain. Look at all the clouds up there. And of course, that would be cool. A big old rain, wash all that uranium right in there. Ooh, and right there, that's where I'm gonna go. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go right to that thing. Oh, God, there it is. Right, that's the best place, you know, placer mining, you know. Uranium's just gonna drop like gold. Well, more better than gold, because it's heavier. Twice as heavy. It's just gonna go boom. Be monitoring the uranium as it comes by, you know, and collects there. Say, hey, we're full. Time to take a few loads out. Yeah. Bring him to the nuclear power plant or something, you know. Hey, Japan needs them, yeah. Put a few more over there. Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, what are we gonna do? Oh, yeah. Oh, let's go left, I guess. Go left. Go. Yeah. Oh, okay, you're back. Sacagawea Park. Oh, yeah. That's it. Look at it. Whoa, look at that. Look how the water's still left there. Oh, yeah, but this is a great sluice trough. Well, yeah, it's a sluice trough. I say that right. Sluice trough. Okay, yeah. Ooh, look at the color. Oh, you know, that's not brown stuff. That's got gray in it. Oh, yeah. Heavy metals. Oh, yeah. Of course, this is the fine grain stuff. I gotta follow it around and get where the nuggets come in. Uranium nuggets. That's what I'm looking for. You know, and you melt all that slag down, so, you know, sometimes, you know, it's just natural, you know, elements just kind of attract each other, you know, and they're in the same molten state, they gotta come together and form nuggets, you know, it's just like nature, just like gold nuggets, same way, you know, you got little nuggets, big nuggets, you know, yeah, I got some big nuggets, yeah, yeah, nuggets, anyways, just come together, yeah, look at that, oh, yeah, that's from that big storm, man. I know this is the first sleuth washing, yeah. It's just started, man. Imagine this after a couple more storms. We'll be just like, whoa, you know. It'll be like feet thick of uranium. Oh, it's cool. Oh, I gotta get my Geiger counter out. Check this out. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at, there's the grading stuff. That's where the big nuggets are. We don't want the big nuggets getting through. Yeah, they're stop down. You know, just cash one of them in, you know, $1 million here. Oh, yeah. Well, I don't really think the streets of Pocatello are going to let that kind of nuggets go by. I think somebody's going to pick one up on their own. They see one of those rolling by. At least I would. I wouldn't be able to miss it. All my detectors would just go off. Well, I better go check out the rest of this. Oh, yeah, cool. Oh, okay, here we are. Where is it? Oh, yeah, this is Sacagawea Park, or the upper end of it, southern end. Let's go back a little bit here. Yeah, here's one of the trails, goes down to the river. There's the river down in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait a minute, there's that bridge. Yeah, that bridge, that's the coolest thing. That's the EPA. Look at it, even got the little solar monitoring device on top. Where is it? Oh, yeah, cool. Oh, yeah. Look at that pipe. See that pipe under it? There it is. Yeah, it's bringing all the water. That full uranium. Washing off the streets of Pocatello and alleyways and schools. Oh, and just bringing it right across the river into these settling ponds. Of course, they have to keep it cleaned out every once in a while because it gets too full, it'll be right back in the river. Well, that's okay for me. More uranium better for all of us, government hurting for money. Yeah, there's a little detector that say, when they got too much radiation, I guess they, have to keep people out. That's what fences are for. Keep people out. Let's take it over. Okay, everybody out. No, but they don't want to tell you, of course. They just put a nice big fence on there with pokey things on it. They just did this, This is new, relatively new. About $1.5 million. But that's a good investment for, the return on uranium alone. I'll pay for this 50 times over. Oh, yeah, it's going to be a pretty good thing. Of course, once the word gets out, they'll probably be, putting barbed wire and dogs in there. Lights, it'll be like a little prison, Anybody in? Oh, it's ours. Anyways, there's a collection pond. Yeah, it's just gonna get all uranium. That's the best spot right there. Right when it first comes in, this is it's a big collection basin for uranium. And I know, whenever I can keep that lock. Yeah, that'd be cool. Anyways, let's go. I gotta show you this other place. This has been going on a long time now. Like over here. Okay, here we go. See, there we go. Right there. There we go. Got it? Oh, yeah, okay. There you got it. There you go. Oh, yeah. See that? That's where I dumped it before. There's all kinds of it now. Yeah, piles of uranium. And of course, there's a big dike here, for flooding, they want all the stuff to get in the river. Well, almost don't want to get in the river because right behind this tree here is the culvert for going right into the river. Oh, thank you. That's what you gotta do, Put the uranium down in there and then let it wash into the river, It's gotta weed it. That's what placer mining's all about, Heavy stuff just kind of lags behind, all the other stuff runs away, Plus you gotta grind some of it up, some it's still in some little chunky rocks and stuff, but it's the powder stuff. Yeah, the powder stuff is cool. Of course, there was a uranium ore sign down there, danger. Oh, shoot. I think somebody must have took it, I like to collect those things, Hey, look at uranium ore. Oh, Pocatello, a keepsake. Yes, I've been to Pocatello. Look, that good uranium sign. Yeah, they keep taking them. Wow, so damn tourists just come in there, like they go to Chernobyl or they go 3 Mile Island. Oh, I've been to 3 Mile Island. Look, I'm going to die of cancer too. Well, it's just stupid people sometimes. Well, anyways, there's a bunch of it there, and right behind that tree. Let's get that tree a little better. Okay, there it is. And right behind, goes down like that to the water, and goes right there, and then there's a culvert, and it goes right into the river. Right out there. That's my spot. Right in there on the other side there. I'm gonna go pan over here. Yeah, it's probably really rich stuff. Oh, yeah, see? You can always tell because there's that kind of grayish color. Oh, yeah. Where's that culvert? Oh, here we are. Oh, that's the bridge sleuth thing. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that stuff. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, nice bunch of dark sands. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, this is a great place for big nuggets if we got any. Oh, yeah. Just rinse that stuff, comes right across. Whoa, and then right into here. Oh, must have had a big deluge. Oh, I'd like to go pan some of that. I don't know who I gotta ask. EPA? NRC? Probably the NRC. Or maybe Alan Elias. He got permission. Maybe FMC let me in there or something. I think they might have ownership. But I don't think so, because this is placer stuff now. Once you lose some of it, it's kind of not yours. Well, anyways. Oh, look at that stuff. Nice. Oh, yeah, grayish color. Oh, yeah. Oh, I gotta get in there. I guess on that. That's probably a few thousand, I don't know, $10,000 right there, maybe. Who knows? I'll have to check it out, get some of this. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, we need to decorate this fence. Yeah, not like a fence. Oh, I know that color. Oh, that color of the slag. That must be the slag fence, yeah. Let you know this is a slag fence. It's the same color. Oh, cool. Oh, there's some shiny stuff. Well, you know, before these things oxidize, some of it's gonna be shiny. Yeah, I mean shiny metal, silvery. Yeah, cyanide canary, right about that. Yeah, I don't know why. Who's going after that silvery stuff? Yeah, oh, that silvery stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, let's go. Well, I'll have to come back when the next storm, or see if I can get a key, get in there, and say, hey, can I get some painting in here? We hogging it all. Oh, yeah, that's what I want. Oh, yeah, cool. There it is. Yeah, here's the culvert. All right, here, yeah. Just kind of washes that stuff out and then down into the gully there. Underneath the dike, here's the dike, and then right into the river. Oh, yeah, that's where I'm going. There's probably a lot of uranium down there. Oh, yeah. Can't wait. To get my stuff down there. Oh, yeah, that's a good place. Oh, yeah, it just comes, pours there. I've been doing that for years, yeah. You know, that's one of the ways to do it. Just kind of winnow that stuff right into the river, you know, and then let the river do the work. You know, that's the whole thing about it. You ain't in a mine or gold mining, for that matter. I mean, what can we do, you know? It's a lot of work getting gold out of the mountains. That's why we let nature do it, and the water, and the rain, and the rivers, and that's kind of the quick and easy way. That's why, you know, people made it rich just panning. Yeah, well, there's uranium, same thing. Except that's even easier, because it's heavier than gold. Boy, gold will float on top of that like you wouldn't believe. Like water floating on oil. No, it's the other way. Oil floating on water. Oh, yeah, whatever. Yeah, anyways, yeah, just get this uranium here. Just get it panned, it's already partly concentrated. It's part of the process of the FMC Mashawt Flats materials there, you know. They just reduced it to elemental form, you know, and then tap off what they want from time to time. You know, of course, they got to reheat it and melt it to do that. It takes a little bit on the, you know, the heat bill. Well, quite a bit on the heat bill. But besides that, you know, we got some other techniques now. We don't always have to use, you know, burn oil to get uranium to make uranium power or make electricity, which is wasting more energy because, yeah, but anyways, we can shortcut things now. Just kind of like I'm shortcutting, just kind of going in the river to get the placer uranium. Yeah, I like to let nature do it. Of course, this has been going on all over the city of Pocatello, and not just the city of Pocatello, Bannock County, for that matter, and Caribou County, and, well, you know, all those kind of places. But this is the best. Yeah, this is the only community, the silent Chernobyl, United States, but we're going to clean it up. That's what this group is all about. We're going to clean it up. We're gonna make money and clean it up. Yeah, we're gonna get our portion from that 1%. You know, no more than 1% is having it all. Yeah, now we're gonna have some. Okay. Well, hey, I got some coin jumpers maybe coming. I gotta see you later. Talk to you later. Bye bye.
Well, I don't know, but I've been told uranium ore is worth more than gold. Sold my cad, I bought me a Jeep. I got that bug and I can't sleep. Uranium fever has gone and got me down. Uranium fever is spreading all around. With a Geiger counter in my hand,
I'm going out to stake me some government land.
Uranium fever has gone and got me down.